A true teacher consists of 80% school supplies. You are just a live pencil case, Miss Burpool.
Oh my God!
Teachers can also prank students and each other. A tree with Coke, an edible marker, a skeleton instead of a hand, and a broken iPhone. Check out the college teacher prank battle in our new video. Miss Burpool, do you know what day it is today? International Prank Day! It means our annual prank battle is starting. Miss Blondie has been the winner all the previous years, but this time Miss Burpool will do anything to become the college's main prankster. Let's play ping pong during our break. What a great idea! Oh, I want to play too! No? Fine. The ball flies to Miss Blondie. That's bad, because today is prank day. Miss Blondie swapped a regular ball for an egg. Freddy, catch! Haha, this is prank pong! I got you, athletes! What an exciting class! Goldie fell asleep right at her desk. A napping student is prank bait. Now I'm gonna do her makeup on the desk. Lips, lashes, eyebrows, and blush are done. Miss Burpool is a flat makeup professional. Goldie, wake up! My makeup! Where is it? There's a print of my face on the desk. Now this desk is more beautiful than I am. Miss Burpool, your prank was a success. Mr. Cosine is also taking part in the teacher prank battle. He and his partner in crime, Yorick, came up with a great way to prank Miss Blondie. Spray the whole desk with water and put itching powder in her tissues. Now wait for Miss Blondie to take a napkin and clean the table. Sit down, Miss Blondie. Ew! Mr. Cosine! What happened to the table? Achoo! Take a tissue, colleague. Please, clean up your germs. No, there is no need. I insist. All right. Whoops! Mr. Cosine fell for his own prank. Life comes at you fast. Mr. Cosine didn't clean the board again. Where's the blackboard eraser? It's missing again, but Miss Blondie always knows a great way out. Whoa! I got you, freshman! Only a truly dedicated teacher would clean the blackboard with her skirt. Everyone knows that chemistry is a dangerous class, but it looks like the professor is the only one interested in these reactions. Miss Burpool decided to make the class more exciting. Ah! My hand! The students wake up. What's that? Ah! A skeleton! Ew! Disgusting! Help! Who saw my beautiful hand? Students are so gullible. Another point for Miss Burpool. Oh no! Miss Blondie went out the window. Hold on, we'll save you. Turns out it's just a picture of her. Miss Blondie just pranked everyone again. Did Goldie fall asleep in my class again? That's so rude! She'll have to get rid of this bad habit. Miss Burpool has a water balloon in her drawer for cases like this. You have to aim right at her hand. Yes! Perk up, Goldie! Mr. Cosine has the next class. Professor, sit in my spot. The class is yours. Whoa! Mr. Cosine has great legs! He inherited them from Miss Blondie. Let's take a pic. These legs are amazing! Miss Blondie, that's a perfect prank! Tommy is on his phone all the time. He doesn't listen to Miss Burpool at all. That's not polite. I'll show you who's boss. Tommy, come on, give me your phone. You will never surf TikTok again. Say bye to your horrible gadget. Oh no, Miss Burpool, you killed it. All right, Tommy, calm down. I broke a fake phone just to prank you. Here it is in my hands. Whoops, it looks like I broke the wrong phone. Miss Blondie prepared another magic trick. Really? This is the oldest trick ever. Now she'll leave and disappear till the end of the semester. Hey, freshmen! You don't know Miss Blondie. She is very sneaky. The teacher doesn't disappear behind the fabric. The door does. Whoa! Now no one can escape the exam. We're all doomed! Miss Blondie wins the prank battle again! How unfair! I want to win too! Miss Blondie surprises her students again. She waters the school tree of knowledge with Coke. It looks weird. Well, students, let's begin our botany class. You are about to see a miracle. Oh, time to harvest. Little sodas grow on my tree. Have some. And I'll water the tree with Coke again to get new sweet crops. Freshmen are so gullible. Goldie is eating in my class again. This is not a cafeteria. Mr. Cosine is about to teach the new students how to eat in class without anyone noticing. Take a marker apart. Take the wadding out and leave the tip. Microwave some gum. And add food coloring to it so it's the same shade as the marker. Shape a cylinder. Press in a hollow with a modeling tool. Attach all parts of the marker to the sweet wadding. Put the marker back together. Mr. Cosine is eating a marker. He must be so hungry. Don't copy this prank with a real marker. I have to get the better of this prankster. Miss Blondie. I think I won this battle. Don't laugh. You have something right there. Where? Boom! Got you! Ouch! Oh gosh! Is that a nose? Miss Burpool is left with nothing. And Miss Blondie is the winner again. A revolution is about to happen in our classroom. This is a paper fight. Take that! And now, let's attack Danny at the front desk together. Our paper shot accidentally flies right into Miss Burpool. That's it! You were asking for it! Miss Burpool is on the warpath. They call me Die Hard for a reason. Ready, aim, fire! Unfortunately, the water stream isn't as strong as Miss Burpool expected it to be. Her weapon doesn't even reach the front desk. Sorry, Die Hard! Did you like our teacher prank battle? Then comment below who you think had the best pranks. Miss Blondie? Miss Burpool? Or Mr. Cosine? And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so you don't miss new hilarious pranks from Troom Troom.